Zen Nation Retreat Center. In the heart of the Whispering Grove, the enchanted forest thrived as sanctuary where the whispers of ancient trees carried secrets of healing and peace. Grandmother Laura, known to many as Zen Diva for You, was the guardian of this mystical place. With a spirit as serene as the forest itself, she handed down a precious journal to her granddaughter, Evelyn. This journal was no ordinary book. It was imbued with the essence of the forest, its pages filled with the wisdom of the ages. Zen Diva for You knew that Evelyn, with her youthful curiosity and vibrant soul, was ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery and healing within the embrace of the Whispering Grove. As Evelyn wandered through the forest, each step took her deeper into a world where the flora and fauna spoke in hushed tones of encouragement. The journal became her guide, its words illuminating paths to hidden clearings where the air shimmered with magic and the waters of the brooks sang melodies of clarity and renewal. Zen Diva for Us' vision for Zen Nation was to transform the Whispering Grove into a retreat center, a haven where others could also experience the transformative power of nature. She envisioned a place where the chakras of the body could align with the chapters of the journal, each section a gateway to balancing a different aspect of one's being. The retreat center would offer a sanctuary for meditation, yoga, and introspection nestled amidst the whispering trees. Workshops would be held, teaching the art of living in harmony with nature and oneself. The journal's lessons would be shared, guiding visitors through their own healing journeys, just as Evelyn had experienced. Evelyn's story is one of connection to the earth, to her grandmother's wisdom, and to her own inner strength. As she continues to explore the depths of the Whispering Grove, she becomes a beacon of light for all who seek refuge in Zen Nation, the enchanted forest that heals body, mind, and spirit.
Welcome. This is Lori, aka Zen Diva for You, the ambassador of Zen Nation. This is where we come to enrich our lives, body, mind, and spirit. Our focus will be on rejuvenating the body, calming and soothing the mind as we connect to our higher, more loving nature. If you enjoy this content, please like, subscribe, and comment. I appreciate you. You can access the downloadable version of this meditation and support the channel by joining my Patreon. The link is in the description below and in the pinned comment. As we embark on this journey of self-discovery, as we shift our reality into a higher, more loving and comforting frequency, we surrender to deep and profound relaxation. Nestle into your pillow. Find a comfortable position, lying down on your back, arms by your sides, palms facing up, and legs gently apart, or whatever position you find to be comfortable for you currently. Allow your eyes to softly close, inviting the gentle darkness to envelop you. This is the darkness from which we emerged. This is the darkness from which all things are created. Take a moment to connect with your breath, inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling completely through your mouth. Focus on your breath. Feel the cool air enter your nose. Gently blow it out your mouth. Do that 3 or 4 times, feeling more and more relaxed with each breath. Focus on what you desire to create. Imagine you can create whatever you desire. Everything is energy. See this energy swirling all around you, like the colors of the rainbow, swirling gently, caressing you, nurturing your energy body. We will replenish, repair, and balance our energy body.